Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll see how to install a Windows operating system on MacBook M1 using your UTM virtual machine. Right here, we have selected Windows. Now browse the ISO file. Firstly, we have to download the ISO file from the Windows website. Here, I have already downloaded. I will be selecting that, and then we will go for continue here, and then we have to select the RAM size. Here I am going to take 4 GB as a RAM here, and CPU cores are for 4, and also I'm specifying some hard disk memory as we require some storage memory. We'll be specifying about around 80 GB of memory. We are going to provide it here, and then we will click on the continue, and here you can provide the name for this one. As I'm using Windows 11, I will be naming it as Windows 11. Save it. Those are all the settings. Just play the button and your installation will begin in a while. So see here, it will ask me to select the boot options. Press any key, just like a formal Windows installation. I've selected the space bar. Now the installation starts here. So you can see in a while the installation files will be copied. So here you can see the default blue screen where the Windows files are being copied. Firstly, we'll select the language. You can select any particular language. Here it is providing United Kingdom English. Then same keyboard method you can select, and then it will be selecting some few settings. I don't have a product key. We'll see it later. I don't have. Just click on I don't have product key. Just select the home version, which is better suitable, which you can use the basic features for free. And then you can go for read all these license agreements, whatever all the applicable, and then you click on accept. Then it will be asking you for where this should be installed. As already created 180 GB of memory, same we will be selecting here. No need to do any partition or anything. Just click on that one and select that. Okay, your file started copying, and it will be in a while it will be completing all this. Actually it will take a long time, but I have fast forwarded it, and once after a 15 to 20 minutes of installation, the system will be rebooted here. As you can see here in the screen, the system have been rebooted. Don't press any key here, just leave it like that. It will be automatically go to the installation, continue the installation here. So once the installation is continued here, what we can do is you can go for the basic settings here, as you can see on the screen. Now it will be coming. It will be like basic screens are being set up here. Once it is started, we will see how it will be created. Right, see, so the basic installation is being completed here. So I have fast forwarded it, but it will take so much time. It will take for you. I have skipped all those particular things like 0 to 33%, 70% like that. So I have skipped everything, and I have taken this. Okay, so it will take a while for you. Don't be panic for this here, and then okay, here the installation has been completed. Finally Windows is appeared here. So now you need to go with the basic details you need to enter, like your username, password, some security questions you have to enter. Once you have entered all these particular details, you will be ready to use this particular Windows operating system here. So you can see on the screen, it has, I have selected the country India, and keyboard layout also we have selected like India. And then the next step is as it is a virtual machine, it is a bit slower. It depends upon the type of the machine that you are selecting. You can just enter your name, I have entered my name here. You can also enter with your name, and then enter your password and confirm your password. Enter your password and again confirm your password here. The password is completed. And then you can enter some security questions, or randomly you can select some questions and you can answer those particular questions. I have given some default answers here, some random answers I have given. You can select because it is only for testing purpose. To show you, I have created this one, so I have selected some normal questions, but in your case you can select the genuine questions and answers should be selected, so that if in case if you forget your password, it should be very useful for you retrieving those particular passwords or credentials. Hope you understand the procedure. This is how you need to install the Windows operating system on your Mac OS using your UTM. So now your Windows is almost ready. You can use it for the basic requirement why you have created. Right, all the things are getting ready for you. This is the final screen of Windows operating system. Like if you like this particular video, please like to the channel, share it with your friends who need to install this Windows operating system. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Thank you very much.